How much would you like?
I would like 4 kilos.
Where I can find the sugar?
It's in 4th Street.
Could you tell me where the vegetables is?
It's on the shelf.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I am looking for cool water.
What's the purpose of your trip?
I am on vacation.
May I have your passport, please?
Yes, of course.
How long have you been feeling like this?
For 7 days.
What are your symptoms?
I have got stomach.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy playing cricket.
What's your favorite food?
Meat is my favorite food.
What's your favorite color?
I love pink and black.
Where do you live?
I lived in an village.
Do you like to read newspaper?
Yes, I enjoy reading newspaper.
Which newspaper reading almost?
I read almost dawn newspaper.
Are you watching movies?
Yes, I am.
What about funny movie?
I don't like.
Which one is your favorite movies?
My favorite movies is 3 Idiot.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Yes, I like spending time at the beach.
Where were you born?
I was born in South Korea.
Who cook lunch in your family?
My sister usually cool lunch.
How many sisters do you have?
I have 4 sisters.
Are they married or single?
Yes, they are married.
Do you have family game night?
Yes, we have game night on Sunday.
Do you have grandma?
Yes, I have grandma.
How old is your grandma?
She is 75-year-old.
Do you have any pet?
Yes, I have a white cat.
What language does your family speak?
We speak French at home.
How are you qualified?
I have completed my graduation.
Do you have experience in your field?
Yes, I have 5 years experience.
Great.
That's good. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more videos.